you ready?
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Get set,
And you
go!
have to
Popping bubbles. Look at this balloon. They're pretty. Look at all the moon. Ow. This is a balloon.
That's the full moon. And you know what you do when you see a full moon.
You howling?
Why do you do that?
That sounds like a wolf sound making.
Wendy, can you teach us how to do that? Okay. First, you have to look up at the moon. And then you
Howling. Everyone sound like a wolf sound making. Ah! Wow.
That one. It wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Do you understand me? No.
It's a wild animal.
No.
It is Granny Wolf.
Happy birthday, Granny Wolf.
Hello, Granny. You must all be Wendy's
Thank
friends.
you.
How do you do? Hello, Granny Wolf. My,
Now
what
we're
big
going to
ears
celebrate
you've got, Granny
my
Wolf.
birthday.
All the better to live with. What big
What
eyes you
does
have,
it matter
Granny Wolf.
about
All the better to see
What
you
about
with. And
travel?
what big teeth you've got.
I know that. Surprise!
Wendy, what's that in the middle of your cake? It
The
is a
man of the
little
house made it sticky. It's time to go back in the car.
Stop the video. Let's go.
puff, and I'll puff, and
I'm
I'll
gonna take the
blow
tablet
the
away.
candles out.
Has to
You've
be all done,
blown the
Jacob.
stick house down.
Oh, you are all done.
Do you
It
want to
was
get some
quite
snacks?
easy.
That's not easy now.
Let's go get some snacks.
I always forget.
Oh, look at this
Made of
beauty.
Mr. Pig.
It's made of me.
Very clean pig.
That was a
That's
great
a little
part.
like a moon.
Yes, that was
Yeah.
the best part